Hi friends, welcome to the channel Doctor on Travel. We are heading to Morondava to witness one of Madagascar's most iconic sites, the Avenue of the Baobabs. December is not exactly the ideal month to travel here, as it falls right in the middle of the rainy season, when heavy clouds, sudden downpours, and low visibility often disrupt plans. Still, the excitement of seeing those legendary trees rising from the flat landscape kept our spirits high as we approached the western coast. Our arrival itself turned into an adventure. Because of poor visibility caused by thick clouds and rain, the aircraft could not land on the first attempt, nor the second, or even the third. Each time we circled back into the sky, the tension inside the cabin quietly grew. Finally, on the fourth try, the runway emerged through the mist and the wheels touched down in Morondava, a moment that felt like a small victory after an anxious but unforgettable approach. Stepping out, we were greeted by humid air and rain-washed surroundings, a reminder of why this season is usually avoided by travelers. Yet there was also something dramatic about it: the stormy skies, the fresh scent of wet earth, and the sense that nature here truly sets the rules. With Morondava behind us and the legendary Baobabs waiting ahead, the challenging journey only made the destination feel even more rewarding. The mud roads around Morondava were badly affected by the rains. Water had collected everywhere, and in some places the villagers had dug small canals across the road to drain water away from their houses and fields. Because of this, traffic came to a temporary stop, with vehicles lining up on both sides and people trying to figure out how to cross. What followed was a good example of cooperation. Villagers, tourists, and tour operators all joined in to make the canal shallower so that vehicles could pass through without getting stuck. Slowly and carefully, the road became usable again, and traffic started moving. Our tour agents also stepped in and arranged another vehicle that was better suited for driving through flooded roads. With improved clearance and safer handling, it made the journey smoother for us. Even with the difficult conditions, everyone's practical help kept things going, and we continued toward our destination without much delay.
ഇവിടുന്ന് 4 കിലോമീറ്റർ. എവിടെ ചെന്നാലും ഇതൊക്കെ തന്നെ പണി. ഒരു കൈത്തൊഴിലിരിക്കുന്നത് നല്ലതാ.
Baobab trees are among the most remarkable and symbolic plants in the world, instantly recognizable for their enormous, swollen trunks and branches that often look like roots reaching up toward the sky. Many baobabs are believed to be hundreds of years old, and some may even exceed 1,000 years, making them silent witnesses to generations of human history. Because of their unusual appearance and longevity, they hold a sacred or spiritual image in many African societies. Local communities have long respected these trees, weaving them into folklore, religious beliefs, and traditional practices, sometimes considering them as homes of spirits or ancestors and treating them with great reverence. One of the baobab's most extraordinary features is its ability to store water. The thick, fibrous trunk can hold thousands of liters during the rainy season, which the tree slowly uses during long periods of drought. This natural reservoir allows the baobab to survive in harsh, dry environments where few other large trees can thrive. Beyond water storage, different parts of the tree are useful to people. The fruit is rich in vitamin C, the leaves are used in cooking and medicine, and the bark can be made into rope or cloth, making the baobab not just impressive, but deeply practical for daily life in arid regions. Although most people associate baobabs with Africa, they are also found in other parts of the world. Of the known species, the majority grow on the African continent, but several are native to Madagascar, which is home to some of the most distinctive varieties. A single species occurs in northwestern Australia as well, showing how widely this ancient group of trees has spread over time. The Baobab Avenue, locally known as the Avenue de Baobabs. This striking stretch of dirt road is lined with towering Grandidier's baobabs, some rising more than 30 meters high. The surrounding land was once dense forest, but as it was gradually cleared for agriculture, these massive trees were left standing, both because of their cultural importance and their usefulness, creating the dramatic, open landscape seen today. At sunrise and sunset, when the sky turns orange and purple behind the silhouettes of the trees, the avenue becomes especially beautiful, drawing travelers from around the world who come to walk among these giants and take in one of Madagascar's most unforgettable natural scenes. Thank you for watching the video. See you again. Goodbye.